In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use EHA Markets trading application. So you can proceed to locate for this app by going to your Google Play Store or App Store and searching for EHA Markets. It's developed by Huya Capital. From there, click on the install option. So as you can see, they are actually advertised to have $0 commission from all your accounts, forever available to all financial instruments for the classic mode. So we also have right here a free £50 welcome bonus, 100% getting it after registration for every new client for some countries. Now, you have in here the ultra low investment threshold. You can invest from £1 only, deposit from £10, and return investment for up to 85% right there. So if you want to deposit, you can just click on this deposit icon in order to do it. Then proceed to buy the certain amount or forex you want, and then sell it if you want. Now we have in here as well a demo account if you are still learning for trading. So this is actually a good application for you. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.